Sharing you another smoothie recipe that we did this morning. Actually, this lunch. It's our lunch today. We start with always plain yogurt that's unsweetened. We bought from the nearby mall. And these Sagada strawberries were brought by my sisters. They recently went there. It's not; these are not so big and not so sweet, but they're very good in smoothies. We had it frozen for a few weeks in the ref, and we used almond breeze almond milk. So instead of dairy milk, we used the unsweetened original almond milk. It's a plant-based milk. These are chunks of ice. We had it blended, and Skippy's peanut butter, for that full effect. And of course, the cocoa powder made by my mom all the way from Bicol. It's 70% real cocoa powder. So it's what we use as a sweetener, because the almond milk and plain yogurt are not sweet. So we are unsweetened. So we had to use something as a sugar, basically. So after a few times, I mean, just a few minutes, it's done. What's good about making a smoothie is it's so easy to prepare, and it doesn't take a lot of effort and time. And would you believe these smoothie is our lunch today? This smoothie is our lunch today, right? So look, the color of strawberry, which is pink or reddish pink or whatever, you can see it. And these cherries, I got it from Manila Vegan's Christmas party a few nights ago. Actually, this is only for decoration purposes, okay? I ate it separately. These four cherries, along with other grapes, different colors of grapes that I got from them, I ate it separately because it doesn't go well with the taste of the strawberry.
Time? The photo session is complete? Okay, okay. Which one's mine? I think the cocoa powder is mixed thoroughly. I think it's well mixed.
So that's it. I hope you're inspired to make your smoothie at home as well, because the ones outside are not only expensive, but it's also not healthy. They put a lot of artificial sweeteners there, sometimes powdered fruit juices or whatsoever. It's not really the real fruit that they put. So that's it. Happy lunchtime. We're eating smoothie, and it's really heavy in the stomach as well.